Yo, what up, guys? Back for another week, man. Last week was crazy. Literally, it was crazy. We made a shit ton of profit last week. I hope you guys were able to tap in at least on a few of the trades that we posted for you guys. I know EURAUD put out a few hundred pips a couple of times, so multiple times you guys could have made some potential profits on EURAUD and a few of the other trades that we put out to you guys. Now, starting off on this week, I wanted to go a little bit more in depth on the services that we offer. I am still getting a lot of questions on what exactly certain packages actually offer, and so I know I haven't went over any of that on these actual Sunday sessions. So this week I'll be doing that for you guys, and I'll be going over the services and everything that's included. I also did want to give you guys a side note. I am going to be starting back up the MAM copier account system. So more information of that will be in our Telegram. So if you're not in our Telegram, feel free to look in the description and you'll see the link to our Telegram. And at that point, you guys can follow our Telegram to get more information on the MAM auto copier. And also, guys, if you aren't subscribed already, feel free to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you guys don't miss any of the future update videos. So to dive on in as far as on the services that we offer on our website. So to go a little bit more in depth, the monthly signals is for those of you that pretty much work a lot and are not able to focus more so on the education aspect of trading and just with like the analysis weekly. That way pretty much the analyzing is done for you. And so at that point, you just need to wait to kind of pull the trigger on the trade to enter that trade. So this comes with my trading setups that I look for each week. It also comes with my crypto portfolio access, so you'll have access to any crypto trades that I do add to my portfolio or any updates and things like that. You'll also get access to the live trade room as well as my long-term stock ideas as well. So any stock ideas that I am in or any updates or any new stock ideas, those are all posted to the monthly signals members as well. So you're able to get a little bit of crypto information, you're able to get a little bit of stock information, as well as you're able to get a lot of your average day-to-day Forex trading information as well from me. So that's going to be your monthly signals package there. As far as the mentoring package, so this package has changed a lot over the years. It doesn't include everything that it used to. A lot of those of you that did join the team before, man, cheers and kudos, because you got the full advantage of the mentoring package. The mentoring package actually no longer includes one-on-one sessions. So if you would like the one-on-one sessions, those only included on the actual mentoring bootcamp class. So for the mentoring lifetime packages, you'll actually just get access to our website, which you'll be able to pretty much have pre-recorded information of all of my trading strategies, which are being updated. The next update actually drops within the next 2 weeks, so it's going to be the new course. So you'll get access to all of this information. So you'll still get full on education, and it's not just basic education. It goes from completely new to completely advanced education. So it comes with my complete strategy, and you'll be able to get this under the mentoring lifetime package. It's just, this is more of a self-taught, as you're able to log into the online academy with FXK. You're able to watch the videos, do the homework, and interact and learn that way. If you'd like things more one-on-one and more hands-on, then you guys would need to get the mentoring bootcamp package. Now, the mentoring lifetime package does also include lifetime monthly setup. So that's another bonus for you guys. So instead of having to continuously pay $59.99, you'll actually get that included in the fee of the mentoring lifetime package. So you'll no longer have to pay for monthly setup. So now you're able to get my monthly analysis forever and be able to profit from me forever just by simply getting the mentoring package. So this is, to me, the true definition of learn and earn. So not only are you able to learn with me, but you're able to follow along with a consistent trader to be able to make profit in the market consistently. So that is the mentoring package. You guys also have the Forecaster Pro trading software. So these are for my robot heads who really love softwares and just kind of automated trading. So this is going to be something for you guys. If you want to check out the Forecaster Pro system, you guys can feel free to check out that there. You can also head to the Forecaster Pro page on our website, and you'll be able to see more information on that package. So if you guys scroll down, you'll also see the mentoring bootcamp package. Now, all of these packages are on our services tab, as you guys can see here. If you scroll down, you'll see everything pretty much that the mentoring bootcamp comes with. It literally comes with all of my secrets, my trading secrets, everything that I use behind the scenes. You'll have access to my mentors if you'd like to know that information. You also get your supply and demand setups pretty much marked up for you, so that's a bonus there. It's something that I gift to you guys just for being a part of the bootcamp class, as well as you'll have the same pre-recorded information, access to the online school, everything that the other packages come with as far as for the monthly signals and the mentoring package. You'll get all of that stuff, as well as the 30-day one-on-one intense education. You'll also get a team FXK hat and a shirt mailed to you within 2 to 4 weeks of joining the actual service as well. You'll get so much value, guys, for just a simple price of $9.29. Now, in this industry itself, the pricing of bootcamp classes are starting to get a little bit ridiculous. They're getting very high, in the actual value. The value is very minimum. So just be mindful of all of the value that you're able to get with this package, and it's 30 days of one-on-one. So that will change potentially in the future, and it's very soon. Potentially it'll change to end up being classes, but for right now, you guys are able to get one-on-one with me for 30 days. That is crazy, guys. That is a lot of education. You're able to trade with me side by side for 30 days. Any questions on that same day of trading, you can shoot them, ask them, trading ideas. If you want me to just send you a trade to potentially make some profit for the day, you guys get that with this bootcamp masterclass, and there's not a lot of mentors doing that. So literally the full package right here, guys. So definitely, if you are serious about taking your trading to the next level, check out the bootcamp package. Now, be mindful that this is not for new traders. You will have to be trading for at least 6 months to a year, and I actually might change this to over a year, because this is nothing in this package is basic. I'm not going over the basics. So do not sign up for this package. Please do not sign up for this package if you do not know how to trade. If you do not know how to trade at all, you need to start off with the mentoring lifetime package, and then you graduate to the mentoring bootcamp package. But if you do already have an idea how to trade and you're ready to take it to the next level, then this is what you need. Okay. So we also have the DC Chaser swing trading strategy template. So this is going to be for the MT4. This is basically a template that identifies swing trades for you. So makes it really easy for you guys to spot out swing trades the same way that I do. That makes everything so much easier for you. So we also have the challenge package as well. So for those of you that are not, educated enough to be able to pass the challenge on your own, or maybe just don't have the time, or just don't feel confident enough that you can pass the challenge on your own, no problem. I got you guys covered. So pretty much on all of the challenges right now, the pricing is still $300, which is very competitive in this industry. The pricing for passing challenges is getting very out of range, guys. It's getting crazy. So you're literally paying way more than you actually even pay for the package with most people. So just be mindful of that. The value and the pricing that you get with us at FXK is very cheap, and the value is very high. So with that being said, this is everything that's included with the prop firm challenge. If you need your challenges passed, we can pass it if it's on the first stage, second stage, or we can even take over the account as far as through the funded stage as well. So if you do need more information for that, you can always hit me up via email at deandreforex@gmail.com, or you guys can head on over to Instagram at FXKTrading, or head on over to Telegram and shoot me a message, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can with more information as far as that. Okay, so again, that is the challenge service for you guys. And then you guys also have the Forecaster Pro trading software, which we've just briefed over in the actual services tab, and I'm going to just show you guys shortly here. So the Forecaster Pro trading software, if you guys are not familiar, here's a video pretty much showing you what goes on behind the scenes, and you guys can check that video out for more information on the software. And then you have the installation steps here, as well as more information via the download package once you do receive it. So this is the Forecaster Pro trading software, guys. Again, this is our website at FXKTrading.com. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in and through the intro walkthrough. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive on into this week's chart. As y'all always know, we start off with news for the week. So let's see what pretty much we have for this upcoming week. Now, for the public community, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two opportunities this week. One's going to be a follow-up from last week, which is going to be EURAUD. The second one is going to be USDCAD. So these are going to be the two trading opportunities that I'm going to be sharing with the free public community this week, as well as these are the trades that the VIP team will be getting exclusively as well. Okay. So for this week, Sunday, it looks like we are pretty much okay. We do have monetary policy tomorrow on Monday, so be mindful that this could be a catalyst to help your odds start moving towards the upside. This could actually drop odd USD and in return push your odd up. So I might actually be looking for some short-term sales on odd USD tomorrow. Tuesday, we'll have GBP and our RBA speeds on GBP and odd news. I'm not too concerned on these two for Tuesday. Let's see, Wednesday. Yes, so GBP CPI Wednesday, you're gonna watch out for that. CAD CPI Wednesday, watch out for that. JPY BLJ outlook. So this is going to be definitely interesting on Wednesday to see what numbers come out and the actual statements for the report. So definitely be on your toes on JPY for this upcoming trading week. Euro monetary policy on Thursday going to literally shake the market. This might actually be when Euro USD heads up. So if Euro USD wants to stall out through the beginning of the week, this could be what starts to head it up. So just be mindful of that around Thursday. If it doesn't already start heading up towards the beginning of the week, we could be looking to see Euro pairs push up as far as Euro USD and Euro odd maybe on Thursday. So Friday, we have more Euro news, not too concerned on that, as well as USD news. So not too concerned on that. So mainly focused on Thursday, definitely Monday and Wednesday for the upcoming news this week. So diving on in USDCAD. So for USDCAD this week, what the VIP team will be looking at is once market opens this week, we're going to be looking at a small retracement towards the downside into demand, and then we'll be looking for a push up on price action. Now, if we don't get the full push up towards the top in resistance, then we might come around this level and then drop. So just be mindful that if it doesn't push all the way up here, we'll come out to equal these highs and then drop maybe back down in this zone. So I don't want you guys to get caught in that. So make sure you are taking profit as it does head up into that area, and just be mindful that when the area does come, you want to be on your toes just in case it does reverse towards the downside. So I'll be looking to enter this trade personally with the VIP team, and our entry will be around 1.30068. Our stop loss will be at 1.29528, and my personal TP will be at 1.31547. And guys, as always, please do your own back testing on all of the trades. That way you're very much knowledgeable of the things that are going to be happening upcoming on that specific trading pair. Okay, don't ever want to just trade blindly or just trade off of someone else's instructions just because they say so. You need to definitely back test all of those trades and analysis to make sure that they confirm with your own strategy. And if they do confirm, then at that point you have a higher opportunity of potentially making profit on that upcoming trade, right? So EURAUD, this is going to be another trade that I'm going to be sharing with you guys this week that me personally I will be taking with the VIP team. So last week we were looking for some buys on this pair. We looked for our first buys around this area, which I think was a week before, and then last week we were looking for some more buys once we got a sweep of this low, and then we got a push up, then we literally came back down, and then we pushed back up. So to me, what I'm seeing here is a potential inverted head and shoulders starting to form. If this is what to form, then we'll have our right shoulder here, and we should push up going forward. We should not break this low. So our stop loss for this trade is going to need to be around 56 pips, and literally same analysis, same area. We're still expecting the same push up. We just need to be a little bit more patient on it. So far, I do love how it's being very respectful in our demand zone, how we started to trend towards the downside, and then we start to equal out to as far as finding a support. So now we're pretty much in a consolidated market here as we go sideways. So that's a good sign when you want to see a market potentially turn around after a point of momentum. So we were headed down, and now we're reaching a point to where the market is starting to slow down and start going sideways. And usually when you head down something like that and you start to go sideways, usually you'll see a reversal like that. So hopefully we're able to get that this upcoming trading week on EURAUD, and that's going to be the pairs that we are looking for this upcoming trading week. Again, I do appreciate all of you guys for tapping in for this week's weekly Forex forecast, guys. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. It definitely helps us get out to more traders. That way we can pretty much just save the industry, just eliminate a lot of the nonsense and just get people straight to just what they need to be to, which is profit, right? So let's go ahead and spread, and let's just keep this going, guys. Let's everybody eats. Let's keep it going. So appreciate all of your opportunity. Y'all have a great trading week. Trade safely, and I will see you all on the next update. Peace.